Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley. This is another TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to make it really quick. I'm going to show you guys how to change background on your Telegram app. Now, if you're chatting on your Telegram application, for instance, let me open any chat conversation right now. This is the background we currently have, which is actually the default background. Now I'm going to show you guys how to change this background into a more different or a unique background that you want to choose. Now click on this menu icon right here, click on the settings icon next to it on the bottom section, and now you are going to notice where it says chat settings, right? Click on that and you're going to notice where it says change chat background. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to notice there are different options right here to choose from. These are the default chat background that we have on default, so you can just go ahead and make use of any of this one, and if you choose this one, this is exactly how it's going to be. And if you want it to be on motion, fine, you can use motion. If you want it to be blurred out, it's still going to be blurred out, but right now image is actually downloading, so just wait for it to download. If you choose motion, this is going to be the motion, and if you choose blurred, this is how it's going to be blurred. And you can choose both blurred and motion, but if you want to just uncheck all this and then choose only motion, so why choosing motion, that means if you are scrolling up and down, it's going to be moving in motion. So if you are ready to choose this, go ahead and click on set to background on this section, and this will be set to background. And guys, for some reason, if you just want to change colors of your background, just click on this set color. You just make use of any color and you notice it actually changes to the color we chose. So any color right here, you can go ahead and choose any of them and it will be set. And one more thing guys, you notice this section that says select from gallery, right? If you click on the select from gallery, it gives you option to choose from your device gallery, and you can go ahead and choose this, and when you choose this and click on check, this will actually become your background and you can choose this as your background. So if you have anybody's picture on your phone, you can go ahead and make use of any of them and by choosing this particular option. But for some reason, I'm going to leave this previous snow desert area that I chose, and then I'm going to back out and show you guys how it appears on our chat section. So there you go, this is how it appears. Really cool, right? So it just appeared on every chat we have on our message on our Telegram. Even on the group section, it still appears. So that is more about today's video guys. This is all I'm going to show you guys on today's video, and on my next video guys, I'm going to show you more things that Telegram can do. Make sure you stay subscribed to this channel for more of those, and like the video, and I'll see you on my next video guys. Stay safe, peace.